Hey guys, it's Ashley from Out Reviews, and today we're unboxing Thrift2You. This is a very cool idea for a clothing subscription. This is a monthly, okay, so the girl that curates these boxes goes out, it has my address really big on it. She goes out and shops for you at thrift stores, okay? So she not only does that, I can smell like all the laundry detergent, she also goes and washes it, which is such a cool thing. So I'm gonna put all the information down below, like the pricing. So this box is interesting in that you go online, you're gonna fill out a survey. I did too. I told her all about myself, you know, that I'm a mom, and I talked to her on the phone. And basically I just explained my style, things that I like, things that I don't like. My laundry baskets, they look ominous in the background there, don't they? Ooh. And so she goes and shops for you. Now, when you get the box, the pricing, I'm going to put all that below because I don't have it off the top of my head, but I will put it down in the information box. So when you get the box, you're going to look through your items, and then you are going to let her know, you fill out another survey, like if you like this item, if you didn't like this item, and all that stuff, to give them a better idea. So I don't know what's in here. I did pop the top. Look at how cute this is. This is so cute. They're also, she told me, working with a shapewear company. So, like, because when you use the shapewear over a certain amount of time, you lose weight. So, of course, you're going to need new clothes. And that, how cool is that to get it from Thrift2You? So, it says, your personal letter detailing what I found just for you. I like how she wrote, like, thank you for trying out Thrift2You. Thrift2You. All right, so let's read the letter. Hello there, Miss Ashley. I really enjoyed shopping for you. I felt that you gave me a relatively good example of what your style looks like from both your style quiz and watching your YouTube channel. I found some wonderful items for you and want to tell you my process of finding them. First, I wanted to try and find you a longer dress so you don't have to remember to shave. Because I think I said that. So embarrassing. It's so embarrassing. Anyway, but it's true. It's so true. All right, but I was unsuccessful. Then I stumbled upon this pretty, oh, I shouldn't read this. How about we read this at the end, okay? All right. So everything's wrapped in tissue. I can smell, it smells good. What's in here? All right, so, Bowden purple flower dress. Oh, so this is like, all right, so here it is. So this is from Bowden, right? Cool. How pretty is that? It's like stretchy and it has like wishies, dandelion wishies. I don't own many purple items. Not because I have anything against purple. It's just not something that I always go for. But how pretty is this? If you want to see in the full review, I'll do a try on. How about that? I'll link to my full review as well as Thrift2You below so you can check that out. But here it is. And look, it has like this wrap. You see like that? How pretty. I like it. And you go through like your sizes and stuff like that too. Obviously, like, all right. So this is from International Concepts. This is a belted blouse. It is in like a blend, like a poly blend type. Look at the rich colors. So this is really pretty. This actually reminds me of my girlfriend. Isn't that stupid? Like when you say so. This reminds me of somebody I know. That's really pretty though. This reminds me of like, when you go, like when you work in an office, those like cute little belted cardigans and stuff. I think this is really pretty. I like the sleeves. All right. Next we have, this is the item I could see from the top, and I don't know what it is, but I'm really excited for it because it has stripes. How pretty is this? So this is from Collection, and New York Collection. Look at this blouse. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is too cool. Look at the stripes. What do you think, guys? Let me know down below. I like this a lot. Like this is super like kind of, what is that word? You can wear it in a lot of different ways. It's versatile. You can wear it with jeans. You could wear it with a skirt. You can wear it with a shirt underneath and make it like kind of more business. Or you can do like a fun grungy look with an old t-shirt. You know what I mean? Like That's neat. I like that. That's probably my favorite item. All right, so on the bottom here, these denims. Ooh, so these are Michael Kors pants. They're capris. Look at those. Oh my goodness, it's like legit. She goes and finds the good stuff. I can never find that stuff, by the way. Thrifting, I'm not good at it. I'm always like, I get overwhelmed. I go in there, I'm like, I don't know what I'm looking at. But they're cuffed at the bottom. And they have the Michael Kors metal thing. You know what I'm saying. So, that is everything. So you could wear this. So I could wear this. Actually, if you think about it, you get like 3 outfits. So you get 4 items. You could wear this with this. You can wear this with this. And then you can wear this, but not with this. You know what I'm saying. So let me know, you guys, what you think. I'm going to put all the information down below so you can check that out. I'm interested in hearing your guys' thoughts on a thrifted clothing subscription. I think it's such a cool idea. Let me know your thoughts. I want to hear them. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.